If you have a dream that you're struggling on figuring out how to go about working on that dream, don't fret, because in today's video, I am going to show you just how you can go about turning your dream into a reality. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, I'm Shama from Happy Living Now, where we share tips and tricks to help you live your best life by bringing your dreams and visions to life. And if you are a long-time subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to actually work on bringing your dreams and visions to reality by using a vision board. And it's not going to be your regular traditional vision board. In today's video, I am showing you how to actually do a digital vision board. Although we're going to focus on vision boards and how to go about creating a digital vision board, there are a couple of steps that you have to take before you actually get there. And of course, one of the very first steps before you can actually get to working on your vision board is to think about the life that you want. Yes, I mean you. Y-O-U, you. The life that you actually want. And when you're thinking about the life that you want, make sure you focus on things that you definitely know that you want, not because it's what somebody else has happening in their life. It's not based on what's happening with everybody else or what people have told you that you should do, but focus on the way things make you feel. You want to make sure that you focus on feelings, not just wanting stuff, but pay close attention to the feelings of stuff that you're thinking about. Do you feel joy? Are you going to focus on things that bring joy to your life? And write those down, okay? You want to make sure that you put pen to paper and think about your ideal life. What does your dream life look like? Now, once you've put down on paper what your dream life looks like and you've envisioned what your dream life looks like, you may want to further break that down into categories, specifically categories that you think needs more improvement than other areas. Of course, every area of our lives need improvement. We're not perfection. We're constantly working towards perfection, but we're not perfection and we're not perfect. And so you definitely want to make sure that you focus on key areas that needs to be improved more than other areas. And of course, you want to focus on doing certain things in those areas to get you to the ideal life, right? It's all a step by step. One step leads to the other and everything flows into the bigger picture. Now, once you've envisioned and you've thought about your ideal life, you've thought about the areas that you really want to focus on and improve, then you go about getting ready to create your vision board. So you want to go ahead and surf the net, the internet, for pictures and inspiration. You may want to look on places like Google Images. I find Pinterest to be a really good place to start. You can create a vision board on Pinterest and save all your pictures there, but just think about words that fit into the categories that you have. So say for example, you focus, one of the areas that you focused on is personal. There are a lot of things that can fall under personal, whatever your category is. So let's say you want to focus on personal development in your personal category. Well, of course, part of personal development might mean reading self-development books, self-growth books, personal development books, meditation, affirmations, or listening to podcasts that are going to help your mindset, things like that. So you want to think of words that fall into those categories, and then you want to go about searching for those terms on Pinterest or wherever you're looking for images. Those are the things you want to focus on. If you're focusing on health and fitness, you might want to search for things like exercise, healthy eating, self-care, stuff like that. Now, when you're searching, don't be too particular when you're searching for your images. So just quickly browse through, pay attention to things that grab your attention more than others, and save those to a board. If you're searching on Pinterest, you want to save those to a board and just go through, just save whatever images grab your attention and go ahead and save those to a folder on your desktop or wherever you would like to save them. Once you have gathered all of your images, then you want to go through them and then be more selective. Now there are various softwares and programs that you can use to create your vision board. The two programs that I recommend that are free, you could use Canva or you could use PicMonkey. Those programs are free, they're accessible online, and you can just create an account online and create your vision board there. Of course, you would have to upload your images to be able to use them, but they're very simple. You would just create a template, whatever size you want your template to be, upload all your images there, and then we're gonna play around and lay them out in whatever layout that you want. You could also use Keynote if you're someone who uses Apple products like a MacBook. You can use Keynote. It's simple and you can just do the same concept, lay your images in Keynote. I know other people have used programs such as Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Whatever program fits you best, go ahead, but the basic concept applies to whatever program or software or app that you're using. You definitely want to go ahead and load in all your images that you're going to use, and then you're going to start laying them out in the best layout that you think works for you. Some people categorize the vision board into different sections, so they might have one section to be health and fitness, another section to be personal. Play with it, whatever you desire. Your vision board is yours and you create it however you want it. So we're playing with the images on Canva or whatever software program you're using. We're not, of course, going to use all the images that we saved, but we're going to use the images that appeal to us more than others, specifically for what we want to focus on for the time frame that we've set for ourselves for a vision board. Most times your vision board, you set it for the year ahead, and that's what we're going to focus on. Now, of course, once you know that you can lay your pictures, you can lay text over your pictures. Even if pictures has text on them, know that you can crop those out. So play with it. Don't be too specific, don't be too particular. Again, if you like a picture that has text on it, and you rather just the text than the picture, you can definitely crop that text and just use the picture, and vice versa. So you will see that I have finished editing my photos in Canva. I've laid it out for you guys right here, and then as you can see, I have it sectioned. I have my, let's say if you wanted to work towards weight loss, we'll put your weight loss over here, take care of you, home over here, travel, positivity. I put in just some inspirational, motivational quotes or sayings. Take care of you, be your best self, fearless, and all of that stuff. So once you've laid out your vision board in the way that you want it, of course, the next step is to just save it as a picture. And you're just going to save it. Go ahead and save it as a JPEG and save it wherever you want to save it. And then that's it. You're pretty much done at this point. You have your vision board. I wanted to focus on a digital vision board for purposes of this video because a lot of us use technology a lot. And you can save it as your wallpaper on your phone or your screensaver on your computer, or hey, because it's a digital vision board, you can also save it as a picture and download it, print it out, and also frame it if you would rather have it be in physical form, and of course put it somewhere where you actually always see it. Now that you've created your digital vision board, you definitely want to make sure that you keep your vision board somewhere where you're always reminded as to your ideal life. You want to make sure that you put it somewhere where you're always seeing it every day, because that will help your subconscious mind remember the life that you're working towards, and it will also help you take little steps every day to help you live your best life. Because remember, at the end of the day, we're all about bringing our dreams and visions to life. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, definitely go ahead and give it a thumbs up so I know that you liked it. Comment down below, let me know if you've already created your vision board for 2020, and definitely go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload next. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. I love you and be blessed. Bye guys.